Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm LaMorvielle, the owner of Lamor Fashions. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a free Poshmark account, as well as get $10 credit that you can use for your first purchase. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Please make sure to subscribe and to follow. Please make sure to share also. I appreciate all of you for tuning in today. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is visit Poshmark.com, Poshmark.com online, or you can download the Poshmark app on your iPhone or Android. You have an option to sign up with either Facebook, Google, or Apple account, okay? For this purpose, for the video here, I'm just gonna sign up with the email, but if you sign up with any of those other three, Facebook, Google, or Apple, it'll auto-fill in some of your information for you, so that can make it a little easy if you'd like, okay? But for today, again, I'm signing up with the email. You only need to answer your first name, last name, email, choose a username, a password, and a couple other questions. So I'm just going to go ahead and just show you here step by step. So again, you just click there, first name, last name, okay, choose an email address, okay, choose a username, whatever you'd like to use for your account, then type in a password, okay. Choose your gender. You can male, female, unspecified, whatever you choose. Choose the country. There's a couple options there. And then right at the bottom, if you're not careful, you'll miss it. It says, do you have an invite code? You want to click that red, do you have an invite code? It's going to give you a box to type it in. Use Lamor Fashions, LAMORFASHIONS in the box, and that's going to get you $10 credit, okay, towards your first purchase. Then you hit the next button, and that's it. You now officially have a Poshmark account. So there you go, guys. Super easy. If you have any other questions or need any other tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if this video helped you. Was it easy to sign up? Again, thanks so much, and remember to follow and subscribe on all platforms. Thanks, guys. Till next time, stay positive.